Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to set the alarm on a Casio F91W. So as you can see here on the top left corner on the display, we have a few lines that appear. That means that the alarm function is on. Now when you want to set on and off the alarm function, you will go to mode. So press this button. And now we can see that we can work on the alarm functions. Now, if you want to set it on or off, you can see that using the button on the right side, a few things change on the display. So now nothing appears. When we press it once, that means that the alarm function is on. If we press it for the second time, that means that the hourly beep is on, so it will beep every hour. If we press it for the third time, that means that both functions are active, so we can see both displayed at the same time. And if we press it one more time, so for the fourth time, that means that no function is active. So if you want your alarm to be on, simply press the button once and now the alarm is active. If you want to set the alarm function, you'll have to use the button on the top left side. So let's go one more time. We have the alarm and now we can set the hour. Let's make it 6 in the morning, or let's make it 6:30. Now I have set the hour. If we press it one more time, this button, you will be able to change the minutes. If you press and hold the button on the right side, you'll be able to change the minutes faster, so that is very useful. And now when we see that we are at 6:30, the hour that we want the alarm to be on, we simply press it one more time. Now we know by watching the display, so here on the left side, that the alarm function is on. To be 100% sure, you can press it one more time and you can see that the alarm is at 6:30 and that the alarm is active. If you want to switch it off, simply make sure that nothing appears on your display. If you want to switch it on, just press it once and now the alarm is active. So we press the mode button one more time. That was the video, guys. Now your alarm is set at 6:30. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow along as we have many other tutorials to come. Thank you guys and see you next time.